All right, cool. Um, Whoa, how'd I get this music to turn off? So obviously, still miss you guys right now. If you missed our lecture yesterday, today we're going to be talking about the second half of 6.2, or in other words, we're going to do some practice problems. Okay. So if you weren't able to join us yesterday during class, here is the video. Um, okay, so for problem number 12, right? We have xw over xv is equal to yw over zv, right? And if we want to find zv, what we can do is we can just do the cross product. Now, here is my work, right? First I set it up, 12 in for xw and 17 in for xv, because 12 plus 5 is 17, okay? And I have 24 over zv, that's here, right here. And if I cross multiply that, I get 12 times zv is equal to 24 times 17, right? Okay, now, when I do that, I get 408 is equal to 12 times zv, which if I divide 408 by 12, then I get zv is equal to 34. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. Okay, this is similar to one of the homework problems from before. Some of you emailed me about it, being like, Mr. Shu, I don't know how to do it. So here's a similar problem to one of the homework problems in the last PowerPoint. A street on a map is 3 inches long. The actual street is 1 mile long. Find the scale of the map. So here's my work. 1 mile corresponds to 3 inches, which means X miles corresponds to 1 inch. I want to find the number of miles that correspond to 1 inch to be able to find the scale of the map, right? Like, what is 1 inch equal to? Okay, if I cross multiply here, I get 1 times 1 is equal to 1, which is equal to 3 times x. If I divide both sides by 3, I get 1/3 is equal to x, which means my scale is 1/3 mile for every 1 inch. Okay, rewatch it if you didn't understand. All right, last but not least, third problem. Assume that the wheelchair ramp described each have a slope of 1/12, which is the maximum slope recommended for a wheelchair ramp. This means my rise of 1 to 12. So my ratio of rise to run is 1 to 12. So if a wheelchair ramp has a 21-foot run, what is the rise? All right. So rise to run is 1 to 12, which means I have to set this equal to x over 21, because my 21 is my run and my x is my rise. When I take the cross product, I get 21 times 1 is equal to 12x. And then I divide by 12 and I get x is equal to 1.75. And I didn't put the units there, which is my boo-boo, but this should be 1.75 feet. Okay? This is your homework. This was a short review. These should be similar to the problems that we just did. Please turn it in on Google Classroom. I miss you all. Have a great day.